Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to log out from other device in your Gmail or Google account. First of all, click on the profile picture in the up right corner. Click on manage your account. Go to security. Scroll a bit to your devices. Click on manage all devices and select any device that you want to sign out. For this tutorial, I will select this iPhone and click on this iPhone. Then click sign out to sign out the Gmail or Google account in this iPhone. Click sign out, and the Google or Gmail account already signed out in this selected iPhone. So here is how to log out from other computer or other devices in Gmail or Google account. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Bye.